Good morning, guys. I am near Canarsie Pier right now. Let me see if I can get the name up here. You can see some ducks on that side right there. Just gonna take a quick walk here. This is the Bell Parkway heading east. Bell Parkway east that way, Bell Parkway west that way. So Canarsie Pier right there. You can see the name over on this side right here, Jamaica. I'll show you exactly what we're dealing with here. Jamaica Bay District right there. As you can see, guys, right, this is the sign right here. This is the Jamaican Bay, as they call it. So we by Rockaway Parkway. Let's take a walk here. Let me take a quick walk and I'll show you some duckies. Let me see. And if you guys can see those duckies right there. You see how close I can get to those duckies. They might not let me get too close, I don't know. Oh, they're getting really hyped. They normally stick like in families right there. If you guys can see. Little duckies right there. Oh shit. There's some more flying out of there. This guy's trying to avoid me. Yeah. Oh, there you go. You see some more? Yeah. Alright, let's take a walk. Alright, so they're coming from the bay. Oh, they got some in the bay over there. Let me see if I can capture these over there. So during the summer, this place is always kind of busy. A lot of people come here to fish during the summer. I don't know if she's sleeping. I don't know. See if this guy's gonna let me get close to him. I don't know if he will. Got some ducks right here. See how they're running away? Yeah, they're running away. Got those some here paddling. Yeah, it's after 9 now. It's like 9. Let me see exactly what time it is. Today is the Sunday, the 25th of February. Yeah, Sunday 25th, 9:15 right now. Getting a little chilly out here. Let's go. Let me do a quick walk around. This guy right here, you guys can see him. See how close I can get to him. See if he'll let me get close. Yeah, that's the closest he'll let me get to him. So anyway, let's do a quick walk. Oh, look, you have this guy feeding some of them there. over there. Wow. They're going in a frenzy. They're going in a frenzy here. Wow. They're going in a frenzy. Yeah. Morning.
Morning.
How are you, bud?
Another great day for us.
Another great day, right?
Thank God.
Thank God, right?
Thank God. Boy.
Where you originally from? You sound like a yardie.
Yeah, in Guyana.
Oh, GT? GT.
Yes,
Georgetown. Yeah.
Like come and nice them up.
Oh, you give them a little something to eat?
Yes.
Yeah.
My friends there. You know.
What part of Guyana are you originally from?
East Coast.
East Coast? Oh. Is that the part where they have all the gold and everything, or the gold is more?
The gold is in Potaro.
Potaro? Okay.
Yes, the gold is in Potaro. East Coast is just the riverside. And the interior.
In the interior, okay.
The interior is.
Oh. I understood that they found some good oil over there now, and
yes, well,
and
you find that on the East Coast.
On the East Coast, right?
Yes, right.
And now this other country next to you guys are trying to take over, right?
They've been trying before, you know. They've been trying before. They've been trying before. Trying before, man. Very good.
Yeah. Oil always bring conflict, right?
Right. And they have.
They want more.
But only because how they going with Putin, like America don't buy the eye.
Yeah, that's what it is.
That's
yeah.
the whole story.
Yeah.
They're going to drop down in Guyana.
Because Guyana have a good relationship with America, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I think it's the largest reserve now they find.
Yes. It's a big reserve, yeah.
Big reserve.
Yeah.
It was there all the time, right?
Yeah, but
When the previous president Gordon said he want 51, they said no, they're not give 51. He said, well, cock it back. Since in the 80s, he said, well, close it down. It's me old, I want 51.
Yeah, because he know the value of it.
But yeah, all of them politicians wanting full pocket.
Yeah.
Full pocket.
It's all greed.
All greed.
All greed,
They
yeah.
come there for help nobody. Full day pocket.
Yeah, all greed, man. Everybody's greedy, man.
So we had train and everything running.
Right.
And there's the imperialist thing and close it down. A dumb thing like that. Bring the producer, 2 sets of train, the people just give me. Close it down, I'm right there. Sell it and put it in pocket. He was a pocket man.
He was a pocket, yeah.
Train.
It's all greed, man, all greed.
The politicians, them.
Yeah,
Don't let me why ignore. All they go there is greed, bro.
Right, yeah.
He had one guy, he was in Guyana. What kind of him and all of them around to Africa.
Yeah.
He was Kenneth Cook, one done him thing. Yes.
Wow.
When he can introduce it to them,
yeah.
they used to take money. They're mad with him, but he too honest with their own. He's not a politician. All the politicians, them is greed, man.
Yeah.
Greed.
Anybody that say they're not a politician but they're into politics, they lie.
Yes.
You cannot not be a politician and in politics.
Like the dumb one too that the Guyana gave Granger. It's the dumbest thing I ever see, and I don't know how he was a colonel in the army.
Right.
And we were there, we never so respect him neither.
Yeah, exactly.
He don't communicate. You don't give up. You people say you win and you walk.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that video on YouTube so you can look out for it. Look the name of the YouTube channel.
Okay. What the video would be about?
I'll put it about Canarsie Square.
Okay.
Canarsie Pier, yeah.
Okay.
Just a walk in Canarsie Pier.
Yes.
Yeah. Conversation with a GT, you know. So you can look out for it later on.
All right then, yes.
You remember that name? Yeah, your phone, just take a picture of it if you have a phone.
Yeah. You must definitely come and feed them, man.
Yeah.
If to my yard, I get bored feed them.
Yeah, of course.
didn't recognize me. This technology good and still afraid of them so much.
Yeah, yeah.
Good, but
Hey, it's out. The horse is out of the barn already, man. Yeah, and no way coming back in. Yeah. Anyway, my name is Lucan, man.
okay, Rudolph.
Rudolph, nice meeting you,
Yeah,
Rudolph.
nice to meet you.
All right, have a good day, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, thanks.
So good.
What's that?
I said the technology is so good.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes too good. Okay.
No, listen, it's beyond good already, because even with the AI, you could text something now and make a video and a voice out of a text message.
My hospital get a whole building where they're making AI.
Yeah, yeah. And you know, when you do the AI, it looks even more realistic than the real video.
They win.
Yeah, they win. They win. You can't run away from it. You have to embrace it. You can't run from it. You must embrace it. You must embrace it. Yeah, yeah. It's over, man. All right, have a good one, bro. Thanks. Yeah, thank you, brother. Oh, look at this nice little building. Look at this one, nice. Wow. Look, fat boy. Look at this fat boy there. Look at it. Oh, nice. Look at it. Yeah, let's just take a look, guys. I'll let you get too close, you know. I'll just do a quick walk around the pier. This guy's gonna fly over. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this aircraft right there. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, just came from JFK. That plane just came from JFK. Yeah, we'll do a quick walk by. Jamaica Bay. Yeah, from here I'm going to Jamaica too. There's some stuff to do in Jamaica. This is the bay, so people come here to fish during the summer. Yeah. As you could see across. If you have a boat, you can go over on this side. You could go over there on that piece of land over there to fish over there. There's also some land over there on that side. You could go over there to fish. Yeah. This is the bay right here. Beautiful sun, right? Look at that beautiful sun coming up here. Beautiful sun. Beautiful day. It's gonna be a beautiful day today. The temperature is a little feels like 32 or something. That's what it feels like. See that crow? Morning, morning. How are you? How is everything?
Yes.
Doing your morning exercise?
Yes.
Nice.
Where are you from?
Originally from St. Lucia.
From?
St. Lucia, Santa Lucia.
Santa Lucia.
Yeah. Where are you originally from?
Venezuela.
Oh, Venezuela. Okay.
Are you tourists here?
No, I live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
Near here?
No, not in Queens.
Queen. Okay.
Sunnyside, Queens. Yeah.
Sunnyside.
Yeah.
Sunnyside.
Sunnyside.
Is Island Paris.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
I
Sunnyside.
have one friend in Sunnyside.
One friend in Sunnyside. What's his name?
Sands.
Sands. Okay.
Yes. He live in the in Sunnyside.
Where, by the Queens Boulevard, or on 48th Avenue?
Highland Park.
Oh, Highland Park. Okay.
Highland Park,
Okay,
yes.
got you.
Sunnyside.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, what's your name?
Wilmer. You?
Lucan.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
All right.
too,
Take care. Right. Yep.
Enjoy.
Yeah. I'll put you on YouTube.
Okay, you too. You have the.
I'll put this video
channel?
on. Yeah.
Channel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me give you the name so you.
Okay.
You'll
Say
see.
my number phone. y semi.
Okay.
Olga, vaya para que salga en el canal de él.
What's the number?
929
929
624
624
45
4537.
37. Okay, send me the video.
Yeah. William, right?
Yeah, Wilmer.
Yeah.
You have the new follow you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, my friend.
I'm gonna call you so you'll get that number. So when I send it to you, know.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yes, my phone is
Okay.
over there.
Is this number right?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
All
Yes.
right.
Thank you, bro.
All right. Thanks. Have a good one, right? Yeah. No, yeah, I may get 2 followers. Will me. Sorry guys, sometimes this happens, you know, when you're walking around, just trying to do a full walk of the pier, Canarsie Pier. So people will be fishing all along that pier. Let me show you guys all along that pier here. People will be fishing. Yeah, we'll be fishing all along here. Another plane from JFK. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know, it's right above us right there. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. Maybe you guys can. I don't. Anyway, it's a beautiful, beautiful day, man. Look at this, the sky. Beautiful sky. My hand is freezing. I didn't put the gloves on. So this is the bay right there, part of the bay. As you could see, beautiful sky. There's a little birdie over there. You have plenty of parking, you know, during summer. Sometimes it's difficult to get parking here during the summer. But got some crows here. They're gonna fly away. Yeah, some crows. I'm not gonna try to get too close to them. Let's see if I can get them. Oh, they're very smart, you know, those crows. Very, very smart. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Oh. Gone. Is he gonna fly away? Is he gonna fly away? Yep, and he's gone. This is where people will be, you know, cleaning the fish and stuff, whatever fish they catch. They would have that in different areas. There's a little playground for the kids. You see a little playground for the kids. Got the crows are here. Look at that guy, yeah. Get too close. Not gonna even stop, because as soon as you stop they fly away. I didn't even stop and they fly away already. That's a crow. A little dirt here. There's some dirt here in the water right here. It seems like, you know, like when you cut the grass or something, and it falls in the water. That's what it looks like they cut the grass from somewhere. It came in the water. Yeah. Let's go do a quick walk around again. Oh, it's cold. I'm just gonna go to the end of this. Yeah. Like, you see they have like small, let me show you guys, because this is a good time to take the video, because during the summer it's so busy that you don't get a chance to do any of that, you know. Watch that. You got grill here. You could grill your fish and everything here. You just take control of one of these. They got a few here. You got one there. You got two. You got a third one over there. 3. You got 4. You got 5. And you got. Let's just walk through them. See, you got more here. There. More. You do your grill, your fish, your pork, whatever. Just take control of a grill during the summer, and then you just do what you got to do. As you could see, one of the features in those grills is right here. Let me see if I can show you guys. One of the features is, I don't know if you guys could see you see how they put the different heights, so you could put it whatever height you want, so you can level it up. Look, on the side here you could see, right, see, down to the grooves, right, matches here. So you could bring it up or down. And here you got another grill here. You got more grills over there. That's the fence line. But you could walk along, you could ride or walk along here and go all the way down a good distance. But it's cold and my hands are freezing. Shit, I should have hold on to my gloves. I don't know if you guys can see that. They say we are here. As you can see, the Bell Parkway right there. So we are here at the island, Cross Bay Boulevard on that side, Jamaica Bay Wildlife Refuge, seaplane ramp. Oh, there is a seaplane ramp here too. Oh, that's the thing we saw on the other side. Plum Beach, Breezy Point, 14, yeah. The walkaways, man. So that's where we are. Know before you go, good to go, protect the bay. Right? No swimming. So there's a big no swimming sign there. Let me make sure that I'm not violating anything here. Uncertified area, no shellfishing. All pets must be, yeah, so you can walk there. You take a quick walk here. No swimming, so I guess you could walk. Oh, see the stuff we saw inside the bay. This is those grass over there. See, stuff like that. Yeah. Say no shellfishing. Take a walk on the bay. Take a quick walk on the bay, guys. Yeah, if I see anything of interest. Trying to see if I see any little baby fish, but nothing yet. So for you guys to have an understanding of where we are now, this goes into, there's the bridge goes into Far Rockaway. Here's the bay. See how the sun is shining on that water? Nice, right? Beautiful, beautiful. I'll just go up to, oh, look at this. Man, I think I'm gonna have to do a separate video of this. Oh, how many minutes is that so far? Oh, the battery's dying. My battery's dying, guys. Damn, my battery's dying. Oh. Ugh.